Most customers that I go into today are struggling with a lot of the same things. They are growing at a very rapid pace, and they don't have the resources to actually achieve the stated goals and maintain their operational status. That's a real challenge from a business perspective, because it means that they're not able to pivot when they have new market opportunities. So one of the things that we always talk to our clients about is how we can free up a lot of resources, probably reduce about 40 to 50% of the time they're spending on operations and maintaining current status, and free them up to work on strategic items. And so that's one of the most significant values. The other one is auditability and compliance from a security perspective. It just depends on what field you're in and what your requirements are, but it helps find a needle in a haystack, so to speak, through the configuration management and auditing capabilities. So instead of having to spend 3 weeks trying to track down a problem, you can run a script and it kind of highlights it in the output, so you can easily identify and then go make the changes to solve the problem and move on with your day. When we first started talking to clients about automation and what it could do for them from an infrastructure perspective, we didn't always get the results that we hoped for or expected. And a lot of that came down to the fact that we weren't focused on the right things. The customer thought they knew how they were doing things. In their mind, they knew what the processes were, but nobody ever came in and validated those things, or it's been 10 years since they were validated, and a lot of things change in that time period. So one of the things we're starting to do is we're bringing our organizational change management team to the table to help review what those processes are, and then based off of the desired benefits of the technology, how do we change those processes and get them updated so that they can actually get the real value out of what they're trying to do. One of the challenges we have in IT right now, and I think it's pervasive across other areas, not just IT, is you can't find people. It's a real problem. So we can face that reality and say, what technologies do we have available to help us through this? It may not solve it 100%, but if it mitigates it by 80%, then is that worth doing? Because to me it is. And that's what automation does for us. It's what microservices on another level with applications and containers can do for us. It saves us time, it allows us to be more nimble, it allows us to be more efficient. These technologies are not coming into the market to take jobs. These technologies are coming into the market to help clients create efficiencies so that they can be more nimble and they can be more competitive and they can get more done.